Curious about the 2024 Nissan Titan's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-focused design with soft touch materials and intuitive controls. It includes a digital instrument cluster, an infotainment touchscreen, and available contrast stitching for a premium feel. The display features a standard 7-inch or available 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan Connect. Higher trims offer a premium audio system, voice recognition, and a customizable digital driver display. Nissan Titan features a 7-inch advanced drive assist digital display within the instrument cluster. It provides real-time information such as navigation, safety alerts, off-road data, and fuel efficiency, ensuring a customizable and intuitive driving experience. The climate control system features standard air conditioning or available dual-zone automatic temperature control for personalized comfort. It includes rear vents and available heated front seats for enhanced convenience. The steering wheel features a tilt and telescoping design with mounted controls for audio, cruise, and hands-free functions. Higher trims offer a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel for added comfort and a premium feel. The 2024 Nissan Titan is powered by a 5.6-liter Endurance 5.8 engine, producing 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing strong towing capability, smooth acceleration, and reliable performance for both on-road and off-road driving. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Charge warning light, brake warning light, door open warning light, master warning light, seat belt warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, security indicator light, supplemental airbag warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, anti-lock brake system indicator, brake system warning light, malfunction indicator light, CRUISE indicator light, low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard, warning indicators, exterior light indicator light, high beam indicator, high beam assist indicator light, front passenger airbag status light, high temperature warning light, engine start operation indicator light, steering assist hands-off warning light, power steering warning light, rear automatic braking warning light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, automatic brake hold indicator light, Nissan intelligent key warning light, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection system off warning light, ready to drive indicator light, shift P warning light, low windshield washer fluid warning light, low fuel warning light, sport mode indicator light, spot intervention indicator light, Set indicator light, lane departure warning.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.